Hey everyone, today we are working on cleaning our brushes, our makeup brushes. So I brought two of my brushes that I have at home. I have quite a bit, but these are the ones that I decided to bring in so I can show you how to clean. I am using the Cinema Secrets Makeup Brush Cleaner. I'll put the link down below so that you can go ahead to the website to order that. They come in various sizes. They even sell the little tin containers if you want to use to clean. I just use the back of the cap and then I go ahead and wash it with antibacterial soap and then place it right back on the top. So the first thing you're going to want to do is have your cap where you can submerge the brush in. Then you're going to want to have paper towel that you can go ahead and swipe, and I'll show you how to do that. Then you want to have some sort of a container that you can place the brushes in. So right now I have like a little area where I have my brushes, my cap, and then I'm going to pour my solution. So I'll take my cap, pour my solution into it, and then I'm going to place that down. I have my paper towel in hand, and then I'm going to make sure I dip the wonderful solution onto the actual brush, and then I'm going to swipe it like so. And as you can see, I use this for eye makeup. So you want to go ahead and swipe, and I just kind of rotate the brush. I don't go back and forth. That's not a great way to clean it. It'll actually ruin your bristles. So again, I keep re-dipping, and I'm basically wanting to keep swiping until the color is gone. And even to me, this is not considered gone all the way. You can see how you can still see some pigment. So I'm going to keep swiping, and doing like so until I get it nice and clean. And then once it's clean, I'm going to go ahead and then put it into my container to dry. I like it to air dry. They do have these really great brush holders that kind of look like a tall grass, or you can call them like bottle holders where you put all of your pieces in compartments when you wash baby bottles. But you put it in there for it to dry. So then you have this. Make sure it's upright, and you place it into your container so that it's upright to dry. Then I'm going to take my next brush, and I can use the other side because it's still fairly clean. Again, dipping into the solution. Now this one, because it's a much thicker brush, as you'll see, it pretty much took up all of it. So I may need to put a little bit more. Again, I am going to be washing this cap with antibacterial soap. So I will dip it and make sure I clean it. Now, whoa, you see how dirty that is, right? And there's no point in keep going over the same spot, so I'm just going to keep folding the paper towel until I no longer see color, right? Flip that over. Needs a little bit more solution. I'm going to keep going. Feel kind of like Bob Ross, except he's the expert painter and I'm just swiping back and forth. Now I'm going to go ahead, keep dipping some more, and I'll keep going back and forth. And again, I'm not scrubbing it. I'm just swiping it right, left, right, left. But I'm picking it up and lifting it so it's going on the side. I don't know if this is a good camera angle, but basically I'm not going down like this. I am on the side brushing it. And then basically, once I finally swipe it and see that there is no more color into it, then I can place it aside to go ahead and dry. I'll put it into my container for them both to dry. Great. I hope that helps. If you have any questions or you need any specifics, because there are angle brushes, again, you want to make sure if it's an angle brush to place it on its angle side, going down and back on its side gently, so that way you don't lose that angle. And if there are any other brushes that you have questions or techniques on how to do, feel free to message me and I can go ahead and send that to you. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.